Okay, probabilities using counting techniques. Look at this example. Two brothers enter a race with 5 friends. The racer draw lots to determine their starting position. What's the probability that the older brother will start in lane 1 with his brother beside him in lane 2? So since there are 2 brothers and with a 5 friends, there's just 7 people. Okay, I want to make sure specifically the first brother in the first lane and second brother, his brother, the older in the first lane and the second one in lane 2. So since the orders matter, how many ways I can put them there is choosing 2 people out of the 7 people permutation. So it will give you 42, right? 42 ways I can put the people in these 2 lanes. Doesn't matter who is there, right? It's total ways. Could be anyone. But there is just only one way. There's just one way that the older brother are going to be in the first lane and the other brother are going to be on the second lane. So total way of the arranging them is 42. And my desired outcome is just 1. The probability is n of a divided by the total is 1 over 42. Converted to percentage, going to be 2.3%. Next question, a focus group of 3 members is to be randomly selected from a medical team consisting of 5 doctors and 7 technicians. So we have 5 doctors, 7 technicians. We want to choose 3 group members. What's the probability that the focus group will comprise of only doctor? How many doctors we have? We have 5. Since the order is not important, so we can use counting. So I want to choose 3 members out of 5. This is a probability. I want to find a probability that only doctor will be there. Okay, divided by, this is the outcome, desired outcome. Divided by total outcome. How many people we have total is 7 plus 5 is 12. The total outcome is choosing 3 out of the 12. This is going to be the probability of SA. Desired divided by total. So just look at what they did. So counting 3 out of 5, so it's going to be 5. It's going to be, I think there's a typo here. 3 out of the 5 is going to be 3 factorial divided by 5 factorial divided by 5 minus 3. So this is that. Or sorry guys, that's the right things. It's going to be 5 factorial divided by 3 factorial, 5 minus 3 factorial here. And here is the same 3 out of 12. It's going to be 12 factorial divided by 3 factorial, 12 minus 3 factorial. So you simplify and it's going to be 220. So 10 divided by 220. Which is 0.045. So, okay, the B is said, what is the probability that focus group will not comprise of doctors? The probability of just doctor will be there's 1 over 2020. So the probability is not a doctor, going to be PA prime, which is 1 minus PA. Probability not doctor is going to be 1 minus probability of doctors, only doctors. 1 minus 1 over 22, and just take common denominator, 22 minus 1 is 21, so the answer is 21 over 22. Probability using the fundamental counting principle. Okay, this is the question, it's tricky. What is the probability that 2 or more students out of class of 24 will have the same birthday? Okay, so let's say you have 2. So this is the circle, says student 1, 2, 3, and I put dot, 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 dot. This is the last one, right? You choose one of the students, right? It has a birthday. Now, it has a birthday. There's a day. We have 365 days in a year. So one of these days is his birthday. Now, second student, if the second student wanted to not have same day, what is the probability that his birthday is not the same as that? So one of the days is belong to this student. So totally 364 days is left, right? Divided by total days, 365. Because one of the days this student occupied for his birthday. Now, what is the probability that the third student not have the same birthday as the other? Now, 2 of the days is gone, so the only days is left is 363. Or 365, and so on. The next student, 362, divided by 365, and so on. We can continue until the last one, which is 342 divided by 365. You just multiply all of this together, so dot, dot, dot. You do it with your calculator. So then it's going to be 0.462. So this is a probability that none of them has the same birthday. But I want to find that at least 2 of them has the same birthday. So it's going to be 1 minus that probability, the complement probability that at least 2 of them has the same birthday is 1 minus probability none of them has the same birthday. 1 minus 0.462 is 0.538. And here you do the even question and send your answer to email.